How to remove Steam trade hold. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can remove a Steam trade hold. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, open up Steam and make sure that you're logged into your account. So here, Steam trade hold happens when a Valve places a temporary delay, usually 15 days, on a trades to protect user from unauthorized access or scams. So in order to remove your trade hold, once you're here, navigate to the support option from this menu bar at the top, and under support you have to head towards the option as My Account. Under My Account, scroll down a bit. Now head towards Steam Guard and then click on it. Under Steam Guard, scroll down again and now click on Manage Steam Guard Settings. After that, you will have these options on this interface. The first option, to get Steam Guard codes from the Steam app on your phone. That means you have to authenticate your mobile device. Make this the mobile application on your smartphone or Steam Guard mobile Authenticator, which is the base level of account security. Here you can either choose this first option where you have to authorize your mobile device, or you can choose the second option where you can get Steam Guard code by the email, which will require to re-log in. So here basically, in order to remove your Steam hold, you have to authorize your device, and once you do that, it will take up to 7 to 15 days and your hold will be removed. And that's how you can remove Steam trade hold. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.